Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this installment, we have this Draper Drill Bit Set. So let's open it up, I'll have a look inside. So we go from 1.5mm all the way up to 10mm. I did break a couple of them, the 3.2mm and the 3.5mm, when I was drilling some bits out not too long ago. I've used all of them ever since and the rest seem pretty good. The small ones are normally a bit more prone to breaking than the big ones. They're not covered by any warranty by Draper or anything, but that's the risk you run with drill bits, unfortunately. Bit of side pressure and they just seem to break. So here's just a quick close-up of the drill bits. This is the 9mm one. I'm only going to show you one because I didn't see all of them, they're all basically the same. But they're nice drill bits. They are HSS steel and they're coated in titanium nitrate, so it makes them really hard, especially for drilling into other metals, and that's what I've got these for. Another thing I like about these drill bits is the case they come in. It's fairly robust. There's a bit of information on the back here if you want to read it. But yeah, they're fairly robust. Cased means everything stays together. You can't lose a drill bit. Last thing you want is one of these little drill bits hanging around at the bottom of your toolbox and just getting lost. So here's just a quick bit of footage of the drill bits in action, or one of them anyway. As you can see, I'm just drilling out a river here. This was from the window regulator repair video. If you haven't seen that, check it out. There'll be a link in the description, or should I say around here somewhere, but there'll be a link for it. And you can see it makes quite easy work of these rivets. And after a few moments, this little rivet will be drilled out now. And you'll see it in just a few seconds. There we go. So moving on to my final thoughts for these drill bits. I think they're fairly good, and that's why I'm going to give them a 3 spanner rating. I know that I've broken a couple, but that was more my fault than the drill bit's fault. And yeah, overall pretty handy, especially for drilling into relatively normal metal like panels and rivets and stuff. Really good for that. So yeah, I highly recommend these as a set of good drill bits to pick up. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.